Good morning everyone, come back again in my channel. Today I want to make a video about object detection using YOLOV5 and using Flask, because there are many comments in my YouTube channel ask me about making video of another object detection. So today I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make a tutorial using YOLOV5 on skin object detection, and then we deploy it using the Flask. You know Flask, if you guys ever using Flask. So Flask is a developing web application using Python. It's a framework to deploy object detection to the web server. So we have to run the app.py first to running the object detection in the web server using Flask. So let's check it out guys. Okay. Open Anaconda. You can open Anaconda right here, and this is an Anaconda prompt. So we use Anaconda prompt is a superpower terminal to open the code. Okay. This is we're gonna go to path document path. I save here in document path, and we enter the YOLOV5 and we check. So this is the right path of our YOLOV5 environment. So requirements of txt. Okay, so we're gonna go to the Visual Studio Code. So we use code space. Okay, in bahasa means code space titik. Okay, this is our code. So this is the project I make one weeks ago. So today I wanna show to you all guys, because this is I think this is in my one of the best project that I've ever make about object detection with YOLOV5. So we're gonna make the app.py first Python program. So when we run the program, so it will show the link to the server. So we deploy the object detection to the web server. Okay, and there are the HTML view in the web server using Flask. The simple web server using Flask in object detection with YOLOV5. Okay, so we're gonna make it. So first we control new, and we save the code name is we app.py. okay, app.py, and then we save here. Okay, so now we start the code from Flask. Import Flask. Okay, render template. Render Flask template. Okay. Okay, the program is ready. So guys, how to say, the program is ready to run. Okay, gonna run it. This is the object detection program. So this is there is a best.pt as always, and we use the webcam camera here. This is zero. This is using a zero number for open the webcam. Okay, this is the YOLOV5 algorithm. So and then we're gonna run it. This is the to say it's the node of the YOLOV5 algorithm as object detection architecture. Okay, and then we're gonna run it, but unfortunately we're gonna close the camera of this local device that I use. This is my laptop, so we're gonna close this camera first. So we're gonna run it. We're gonna run this program. This is the web HTML that we use. The position in this program is here, web.html. Okay, here is the program of web HTML that we use. So it's the web HTML. Okay, so the code is ready, so we're gonna open in Anaconda terminal, Anaconda prompt. Okay, this is we're gonna go to the documents, we're gonna go to the YOLOV5 folder, and then we're gonna check it. So we're gonna write the code Python app.py. Okay, so this is the server. Now we can, okay, so this is the server http. Okay, yeah, okay, so this is the look, this is the front end of the Flask, web server. So if we click this, so the camera will be open. So we're gonna detect our face. So we're gonna click it, link. So the camera will be open. Okay, after I click, this is the process. So he open the camera. Okay, 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 the code is successfully detect my face is bahasa kering. So kering guys, berminyak and kering. So this the data is this is condition. Okay, so the code run after we click, this is after we click here, so automatically open the camera like this. Then based on our program, which our program here is the tech.py here, model based on the YOLOV5 custom object detection. We use base.pt, the name of the model here, and we use 0 for open the webcam. So okay, the code now is running. The code now is running, and the take out my face based on the model that I have trained this model of face object detection, berminyak or kering in bahasa, So this is I can also detect the jerawat in bahasa, jerawat. Okay. So our program is successfully running right now. Okay, if you want to, guys, if you want to get this code, or if you want to make the same project, so you can contact me, and you can contact me on my Instagram. So I will be put my Instagram name in the description below. Okay, in this video. Okay, so see you next time, guys. Bye bye. So next time I will be make a video again. Okay, peace.